All right, everybody, welcome back to the 745i project. I apologize if I sound a little hoarse, getting over being sick. As you can see, the seats are out. I also got the sunroof open a little bit. That was a manual job to get that thing open, but I really need to clean everything out here because all of this is mouse nest that was up here, tucked in back there somewhere. They were clearly living behind the air conditioning system for a little bit. So I need to get all this cleaned up, and most of the smell has gone away, which is good, but that could also be because it's cold outside. So I'll show you some of the other damage they did here. So they lived back here for a little bit behind that kick panel. And then if we come over to the heating controller, see, they ate this wire, this wire, this wire, this wire, this wire, this wire, and then they started eating this wire. So they basically ate almost every single wire for this control panel. So I either got to figure out if I want to splice these two to splice them all together, or just replace the wiring harness on here. But I'm also going to come over here and clean up all of this nice dirt that was trapped under the cowl panel, just so it's a little bit cleaner to work on. You see, you got the seats sitting over there. The other place the mice lived was behind the rear seat. You can see where they chewed through some of that sound deadening, and then they had made a small, nice little nest back there. I got most of the nests out, but I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse and try to get some shots of cleaning the inside of this. Well, that was just a quick cleaning job here, and it didn't turn out too bad. I mean, this got most of the dirt out of the seats. I didn't have space or time to clean the back seats, but we got all the dirt out that was up here, so now I can open that up. And then, best of all, is carpet turned out pretty good. When the weather's a little bit warmer, I'm gonna shampoo everything in here. That looks like dirt back there, but it is definitely not dirt. That's just where the seat rails were, and needs to be shampooed over there. So next up, we'll be trying to clean out all the mouse poop from there, and then also all the mouse poop from there. But that is a job for another day. So I will talk to you guys later. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. There's not many people out here who are working on E23s yet. So, all right, I'll talk to you guys later.